4 and 5 and 6 are having us calculate the net price equivalent rate and then the net price. So to directly find what the end price is without having to find what the discount is and then subtracting, we use what's called the complement of the discount. If I have an 18% discount, if I take 100 minus 18, I get 82%. I actually paid 82% of my item for an 18% discount. If I have a discount of 25%, 100 minus 25 would mean I paid 75%. So in order to find the net price equivalent rate, we're going to multiply the 0.82 times the 0.75. We're going to get a decimal, and sometimes it's fairly long, but you don't want to round that value off. That value is called your net price equivalent rate. So if I take 0.82 times 0.75, I get 0.615. So 0.615 is my net price equivalent. In order to find my list price then, I'm going to go ahead and take the net price equivalent times the list price. So I'm going to take the 6406 times the 0.615. And so my net price that I'm going to end up paying after my 2 discounts is $3,939.69. So instead of having to take 18% and then subtract that amount, 25% and subtract that amount, we use the net price equivalent so that we just have to multiply by one value and we end up with the price that we're going to pay. So again, on number 5, if I want to find my net price equivalent, I find the complements of my discount. So 100 minus 20 means I'm going to use 80%, which would be 0.80. Then we have an 18%, which we already did. 100 minus 18 was 82%. And so we're going to take 80% times 82%, 0.80 times 0.82. And so our net price equivalent rate, 0.656. We're going to take that decimal number times our list price. So we're going to take the $48.95 times the 0.656. And so we end up with a net price of $3,211.12. Number 6, we're doing the same thing there. Again, it wants us to calculate the net price equivalent rate. We're going to use the complement of 14% and 15%. So if I have a 14% discount, 100 minus 14 means I'm paying 86%. If I have a 15% discount, 100 minus 15 means I'm paying 85%. So to find my net price equivalent rate, I'm going to take 0.86 times 0.85. So I have 0.731. So my net price equivalent rate, 0.731. We are then going to multiply our list price, the 7,257 times the 0.731. So if we multiply that out, I get a net price that I have to pay, $5,304, and this one gives us 0.867, but we know we have to round to the nearest cent, and so we're going to say $5,304.87. Since there's a 7 behind there, I have to round that 6 up by 1.